In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on augmented reality in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. This is a quick setting change, but it can make a big difference if you're trying to use AR-enabled websites or web experiences inside your browser. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Edge menu where you can access all of the browser's settings and privacy controls. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to the full Microsoft Edge settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories. Now, you want to click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section controls a lot of the browser's security and site-related options, so this is where we need to be. Next, scroll down until you find Site Permissions. Click on Site Permissions to open the permissions controls for websites. This area lets you decide what websites are allowed to use, like location, camera, microphone, and other special features. Inside Site Permissions, look for All Permissions. Click that to open the full list of permission types. Now scroll through the list until you find Augmented Reality. Depending on your Edge version, this may be labeled clearly as augmented reality or shown as an option connected to immersive or AR-related access. Once you find it, click on augmented reality and turn the toggle on. If it was off before, switching it on will allow websites that support augmented reality to request and use that feature through Edge. If you use web apps, product previews, education tools, or any site that relies on AR, this is the setting you want enabled. After turning it on, you can simply close the Settings tab. There's usually no save button needed because Edge applies the change automatically. To make sure everything worked, you can refresh the page or revisit the AR website you want to use and check whether the feature is now available. And that's it. Augmented reality is now turned on in Microsoft Edge. It only takes a moment once you know where to look, and now you're ready to use AR-compatible sites much more smoothly. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what browser or tech setting you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.